Hello my dear students, welcome to Macbeth. Children, we have completed scene number 1, scene number 2 and scene number 3 in our earlier modules. What did we learn? That there was a prediction or the prophecy made by the witches that Macbeth shall be the king, shall be the Thane of Cawdor and also the king of Scotland. One of the prophecies made by king come out to be true, and that is why now Macbeth and his wife are wondering, can they really become the king and queen of Cawdor? Let us understand scene number 4. Night time at the castle. Macbeth creeps into the room of the sleeping king and stabs him with the 2 daggers left there by his wife. Then he stumbles out, sick with horror, but the deed is done. The next day, Duncan's 2 sons flee the country. The nobles agree that Macbeth should be their next king, but the witch's prophecy about Banquo haunts Macbeth. So he invites everyone to a grand feast and arranges. So children, now what has happened? What has happened? In scene 4 what happened? Macbeth kills King Duncan. That is the end of scene 4. After that what happens? The 2 children of the King Duncan, they flee the country. But now still there is something which is bothering our Macbeth. What is it? He is wondering that the prophecy was that Banquo's children would become the king of Scotland. So if Banquo's sons have to become the king of Scotland, that means he will be defeated by Banquo's son. 2 men So what is it that is in the going on in the mind of Macbeth now? He has killed King Duncan. Okay. Now what is it? He is wondering that what if he loses to Banquo's children? So he arranges to plan to kill Banquo and his son by assassins on the way to banquet. He has called everybody for a grand feast, and in that feast he has called everyone, and on the way while coming he arranges that some assassins kill Banquo and his son. But Banquo's son Now children, now we have scene number 5. Now Banquo in scene earlier, the king Macbeth has arranged to kill Banquo. The great dining hall in Macbeth's castle. Now scene number 5 is there in great dining hall. The banquet is underway in the great hall of the royal palace. As Macbeth approaches his seat, he pales. The ghost of Banquo is sitting in his chair, and Macbeth stares and cries out in horror. Now what is he seeing? He is seeing the ghost of Banquo, and now our Macbeth is really in very disturbed state of mind. Banquo, Macbeth, Macbeth, Macbeth. Who is this saying? The ghost is saying again and again. He is telling his name again and again. Macbeth, behold, look low. If I am truly standing here, then I see him. Now, Macbeth is really acting weird because Banquo has already died. Why is he seeing? He is seeing the ghost of Banquo, and the ghost is repeating the name of Banquo again and again. The guests begin to whisper as Macbeth continues to talk to what they think is an empty chair. Lady Macbeth, I beg you not to speak. I beg you not to speak to the guest. He grows worse and worse. Good night, my lords. A kind good night to all. A guest. Good night, and may better health attend his majesty. So one of the guests say, okay, I hope Macbeth will recover from the health. And everybody has left from the grand feast because Macbeth is really acting weird. Now we have scene number 6. Macbeth's castle in Duneishan. A new reign of terror begins. The people turn against their monstrous king. The witches appear before Macbeth again to warn him. So now Macbeth is not a very people-loving person. He has turned out to be a monstrous king. First witch, beware, beware Macduff. The three witches. Macbeth will never be vanquished. Means Macbeth will never be completely vanished until. Now they have given a condition until. Birnam Wood moves to Dunsane. So they say Dunsane is the name of the place where the castle of Macbeth is situated. It's a place in which the castle is situated in Scotland, and Dunsane is one of the cities. So now they say that witches have made another prediction that Macbeth will be defeated after the woods, after the Birnam Woods. Children, what do you mean by Birnam Woods here? Birnam Woods is the name of the forest. Is the name of the forest which is next to Dunsane. They say the forest will itself come down to Dunsane and defeat Macbeth. Macbeth, that can never be. Who can command a forest to move? He says it is not possible. How can a forest move? Tell me, will Banquo's children ever rule Scotland? Speak. But the witches disappear once again. Okay, so the witches have disappeared once again, and they have made a prediction that one day the woods themselves, the forest or the jungle itself will come and defeat Macbeth. Just give me a while, students. Scene number 7. Scene number 7. Scene number 7. The nobleman Macduff returns to Scotland with Duncan's son Malcolm. Together they decide to defeat Macbeth. In Birnam Wood, they decide on a plan. Each soldier will carry a branch of tree as a camouflage and move towards the castle to attack. Macbeth's messenger sees the moving trees and runs ahead to warn his king. So now Macbeth's messengers have what are they warning? They are warning that there are some people who are bringing the jungle to our kingdom. Messenger, sir, the wood Birnam Wood is moving. He says that the jungle or the forest is moving. Why is the messenger saying so? The messenger is saying because who have planned to defeat, it is Macduff and Duncan's son Malcolm. These two people have decided to defeat Macbeth. Macbeth in rage, liar, slave, but Macbeth sees the forest moving as well as rushes outside to fight. Macduff, face me, you devil! Macduff and Macbeth fight fiercely. Soon Macbeth begins to tire. Macduff, eat, you coward! You coward! Macbeth, I will not yield. I will fight till the last. But Macbeth is defeated and is slain by Macduff. The Scottish nobles feel no pity or remorse. Why the people feel no pity or remorse for Macbeth? There is a talk of Banquo's son Fleance succeeding to the throne. All the prophecies made by witches have been proved correct. But did they predict the future? Or did they influence the actions of Macbeth and thus create the future? So children, what do you think? If witches had not come there, would Macbeth still have become the king of Scotland? This is a question which we need to ponder. That was it prediction became true, or the way witches spoke that shaped the future of Macbeth? So, but it's a very interesting story. If we try to carve the character of Macbeth, he seems to be very ambitious and he is very courageous. Even though he was about to defeat, he did not leave his courage and fought fiercely. Thank you, children. Thank you for listening.